Hello everyone! Today we're going to be trying out the Make Your Own Confetti Fizzygloop. The brand is by Horizon Group USA. We have tried like three slime kits by the same brand and they were called Slimy Gloop. But this one, it says that you can turn fizzy reactions into slimy gloop. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's get to the video. So the package says it has one Fizzygloop solution, one Fizzygloop mixture, the glitter packet, baking soda, the sodium tetraborate, which is also borax, one mixing stick, one plastic spoon, the pretty cool beaker, and the instructions. So aside from the stuff that they include in the kit, we will also need warm water. This is warm. 2 paper or plastic cups. It could be disposable. Make sure there are cups that you don't use anymore. A ceramic or plastic plate. I'm going to be using this cover. This is plastic. And this might get messy, so I will be doing my solution on top of this in case it overflows. So let's get to it. The first thing that we're going to do is measure 100 milliliters of water. So this one is 80 millimeters, and then we'll put 20 millimeters of water. We're going to pour it into our first cup. 80 and 20, which is 100 milliliters. Now we're going to add 1 spoonful of the sodium tetraborate, which is borax, to the warm water, and then we're going to stir until it dissolves. This is pretty much dissolved. This is our activator. We're going to set this aside. For our second cup, we're going to add 10 milliliters of the warm water. This is 10. The instructions say that we're going to combine 1 spoonful of our activator, which is our first cup, into our second cup. Now we're going to add 1 spoonful of this Fizzygloop mix. To our second cup. So this will be our Fizzygloop activator. We're going to set everything aside. We're going to take our cover. We're going to put our beaker in the middle. We're going to add 30 milliliters of this Fizzygloop solution to our beaker. Now we're going to add our glitter. It doesn't say how much we should add, so I'll just add half of this. Now we need half of a spoonful of baking soda. Going to pour it in. We're going to mix. Now it's time to slowly pour our second cup, which is the Fizzygloop activator. Now we're going to stir. Whoa! All that we have to do now is just to mix this. We can mix this with our hands, and then supposedly it will turn into slime. I'm going to pour this on the plate. It's very watery. I'm not sure if I added enough of the activator. Just a little bit and see what happens. Look at that. It's actually turning into slime. Maybe I was just judging it too quickly. Supposedly in the instructions, if the slime is too hard, you can add some vinegar. I'm not sure if that's advisable. I don't think I'll add vinegar to my slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you can follow me on my social media sites.